Ayan, graduation ngayon ni ate. Hindi pala, baccalaureate pa lang sa June. So ayan, May 30 ngayon, baccalaureate ng ate ko, and June 1 gagraduate na siya. Yes! Isa na lang, graduate na kami magkakapatid. So i-vlog ko siya para memories, para mapanood namin pag tanda namin. Wow, OA!
Sheltered from the sunlight in the shade beneath the tree. We hide behind the shadows like an orphaned refugee. The apple tree of knowledge shed its fruit along the way. The injury is fading, but the hunger is here to stay until the day when there's no memory of what we used to be. Golden sunrise, burn your eyes, fill your dark skies, and made you blind. All turn to darkness when the sun engulfs the sky. The brightness of
Kailan naman may event, tsaka talaga tayo tinubuan ng talaga. Yan si kaibigan ko. Ayan, 1, 2, 3, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Meron pa talaga naman, ano na to, Korea na to. Di pa niya graduation kasi sa June 1 pa yung pinaka-graduation niya. And yun, yan, si Papa. Ano naman feeling? Wala akong may saya. Ano naman ang feeling? 3 yung anak nyo, 2 na yung gagraduate. Yung isa nakagraduate na, yung isa gagraduate na sa June 1. Ano naman ang pakiramdam mo? Ano naman ang iyong nararamdaman? Sige. Huwag kang iiyak, di pa graduation, sa June 1 pa.
Nakaraos ng motivasyon sa lahat ng gastusin.
Yes, God is good.
Darating din ang biyaya. Huwag lang bibiglayin.
Bagay. Ba't ka naman nagbiyayaan ng cheers? So, may hinihintay lang kami. And then, mamaya uwi na kami. So, yung second part nito ay sa June 1 na. So, thank you for watching this video.
Overwhelming to the unadjusted eye. We're taught to follow blindly like there's nothing here to see. A slave to some philosophy will somehow make you free.